So, we're in the frunk of a Rivian R1T, but we're not doing anything with this Rivian R1T. We're going to be doing something with our 24 Tesla Model Y Performance. What we're doing is we're adding a piece, namely this piece right here, onto the mechanism that makes the frunk, using the R1T as reference, open and close. What this does is it makes it soft close. Now, I bought one off eBay, this part right here. This is the part that comes with the unit. I should say, this is the part that comes with the unit right here. What you do is, I'll show you in a video, you latch this over. It comes with a pin for a spacer. You gotta just maneuver this mechanism down and so on and so forth. It's very easy to do, and you'll see how easy it is. What we need to do now is go ahead and get some wrenches, some ratchets and whatnot, and we're gonna go ahead and take this frunk off. Now what we gotta do is just pop off this panel right here, which is always so easy. Go ahead and put that to the side, and then we gotta go ahead and get this part off right here, and then we need to go ahead and get this part off so we can get back to the negative and positive terminal so we can hook up some power. Sounds like a lot. It's pretty easy to do. Let's go for it. All right, we're back, and as you can see, we got everything laid out here. There is some 10 millimeters bolts that need to get taken out accordingly. You saw that in the video I showed. Then coming around to here, we took out the cover for the HEPA filter and went and ran the ground to this wire right here, or I should say the wire to the body right here. And then that is actually a hot lead down there, which it comes with that screw. Go ahead and screw that in, and then you're all wired up, ready to go. We're gonna tuck this away accordingly, fish it along here, keep it out the way, and then run it down to here where it's going to hook to that new mechanism that makes it soft close. Real easy install, just a lot of screws. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably 10 on this one alone, 8 or 10. And then the 4 bolts right here. Then you're good to go. Just got to get rid of that mechanism. I already bought one off eBay. I showed you over here. Still need to release this one. That's just a couple of bolts as well. Unhook the power. Good to go. So let's just put this over here for now. And then we're going to go ahead and hook it all up. Test it while it's unhooked. Make sure it closes. See what happens. So let's go ahead and grab this. Let's see what happens. And now it is sitting a little bit high right here. You know what? It's actually perfect. That's just the way it is. Once we get this all in, you won't even notice. So that's pretty perfect. Let's see along that line. Up here. Yeah, that's super flush. This might need to get moved forward just because though. All right, let's go ahead and put everything back together and we're good to go. That's that. Easy install, not too bad. As you can see, works great. Lines up awesomely. And go ahead over to their website, use code JTheDev, save some money off your entire cart. Not only for this product, but everyone that's in there. See you on the next one.